introduce this station for you. Follow us!
Hello everyone, here we are at Daanpar Station, and around the station is a ring-shaped pool. In the middle of the pool is an installation art called Spring Light Appears. The frog structure is used to remind people of Taipei to slow down their pace of their lives and to embrace nature. Hey look, there is my friend Mr. Chen.
Hey guys, let's go to Daanpar. Let's go!
Hi, now we are beside the ecological ponds in Daanpar. There are fish, turtles, and a variety of birds such as duck and egret. Additionally, the animals in the ponds are allowed to be fed, so we can spend our free time here and enjoy it.
Hi everyone, we are now at open air stage in Daanpar. And the space here is so big enough that it can accommodate 900 people at one time. And during the weekends, bands will come here to give performance. And on festival, special shows will be prepared for a holiday. Here is a good place to enjoy music and nature at the same time. Next time, when you are free, come and give it a try. Hey, it's the end of our introductions for Daanpar. And hope you guys will enjoy our video. And bye bye! Bye bye!